equals 7. The silverware goes handle up. That's not a preference, that's a boundary I set in 2019 that you have violated 412 times. I kept count.